Sanoat va savdo vaziri Laziz Qudratov hamda sanoat va ishlab chiqarish bo'yicha bosh vazirning maxsus yordamchisi Harun Axtar kichik va o'rta biznesni rivojlantirish sohasida hamkorlik to'g'risida anglashuv memorandumini almashdilar.
In addition to the 21 documents signed and exchanged, following documents have also been signed. 22nd, MoU between the University of Peshawar and the Tashkent State University of Oriental Studies. 23rd, MoU between Institute of Strategic Studies Islamabad and Institute of Strategic and Regional Studies under the President of Uzbekistan. 24th, MoU between the Institute of Regional Studies of Pakistan and Institute of Strategic and Regional Studies under the President of Uzbekistan on the establishment of Pakistan Uzbek Expert Council. 25th, MoU on cooperation in the field of nuclear and radiation safety. 26, MoU between National Accountability Bureau of Pakistan and Anti-Corruption Agency of Uzbekistan. 27, MoU on establishing partnership relationship between Peshawar City Administration of Pakistan and Tirmez City Administration of Uzbekistan. 28, MoU on developing cooperation between Islamabad and Samarkand. And 29, Agreement on establishment of Uzbek-Pakistan Joint Business Council.
Shuningdek, ushbu tashrif doirasida umumiy soni 29 ta bo'lgan korrupsiyaga qarshi kurashish, radiatsiya va yadro xavfsizligi, O'zbekiston va Pokiston qo'shma biznes kengashini tashkil etish, Termiz va Peshawar shaharlari o'rtasida sheriklik, Samarqand va Islomobod shaharlari o'rtasida sheriklik, O'zbekiston-Pokiston ekspertlar kengashini tashkil etish, strategik va mintaqalararo tadqiqotlar institutlari o'rtasida hamkorlik, Toshkent Sharqshunoslik universiteti bilan Peshawar universiteti o'rtasida hamkorlik to'g'risida bitim va kelishuvlar imzolandi.
This concludes the official exchange of documents ceremony. Excellencies, in the recognition of the exceptional contributions of His Excellency Shavkat Mirziyoyev, the President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, towards fostering strong bilateral ties between Pakistan and Uzbekistan and promoting peace and development in the region, the government of Pakistan has decided to confer honorary doctorate of philosophy and honorary title of professorship on His Excellency Mr. Shaukat Mirziyoyev.
Va janoblar, hurmatli janob oliylar, O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janob oliylarining Pokiston va O'zbekiston o'rtasidagi mustahkam ikki tomonlama aloqalarni rivojlantirish, mintaqada tinchlik va taraqqiyotni qo'llab-quvvatlash yo'lidagi alohida va beqiyos hissalarni e'tirof etgan holda Pokiston hukumati O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylariga faxriy falsafa fanlari doktori ilmiy darajasini berishga qaror qildi.
May I now invite the Registrar of the National University of Sciences and Technology of Pakistan to read out the citation for conferment of degree and honorary title of professor upon the Honorable President.
Ladies and gentlemen, I extend a very warm welcome to His Excellency Shaukat Mirziyoyev, President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, along with all the esteemed dignitaries from Uzbekistan.
Hurmatli xonimlar va janoblar, O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylari hamda O'zbekistondan tashrif buyurgan barcha hurmatli delegatsiya a'zolarini samimiy qutlaymiz.
We also very warm welcome extended to His Excellency Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Islamic Republic of Pakistan and Chancellor, National University of Sciences and Technology, and all esteemed dignitaries.
Shuningdek, Pokiston Islom Respublikasi bosh vaziri va Fan va texnologiyalar milliy universiteti kansleri janobi oliylari janob Muhammad Shahbaz Sharifni hamda barcha oliy martabali mehmonlarni chin dildan qutlaymiz.
Today's ceremony is organized as a special convocation of the National University of Sciences and Technology, NUST, for the conferment of honorary degree of philosophy and the honorary title of professor upon His Excellency, the President of Republic of Uzbekistan.
Bugungi marosim Fan va texnologiyalar milliy universiteti tomonidan O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti janobi oliylari sharafiga faxriy falsafa fanlari doktori ilmiy darajasi hamda faxriy professor unvonini topshirish munosabati bilan tashkil etilgan maxsus marosim hisoblanadi.
Ladies and gentlemen, universities, as custodian of knowledge and innovation, have long honored the leaders whose vision and commitments to progress have shaped the development of their nations and contributed to the advancement of the humanity. In this tradition, the National University of Sciences and Technology, NUST, recognizes individuals whose leaderships embodies the value of education, scientific inquiry, and international cooperation.
Hurmatli xonimlar va janoblar, universitetlar bilim va innovatsiya posbonlari sifatida azaldan o'z qarashlari va taraqqiyotga bo'lgan sadoqati orqali o'z mamlakatlari rivojiga hamda insoniyat ravnaqiga hissa qo'shgan yetakchilarni e'zozlab kelmoqda. Shu an'anaga muvofiq Fanlar va texnologiyalar milliy universiteti ta'lim, ilmiy izlanish va xalqaro hamkorlik qadriyatlarini o'zida mujassam etgan shaxslarni e'tirof etadi.
His Excellency Shavkat Mirziyoyev, President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, stands among such exceptional leaders. Since assuming office, he has guided Uzbekistan through a transformative period of political, economic, and social reforms, placing knowledge, innovation, and human capital at the center of national development. His vision of a new Uzbekistan has accelerated modernization, digital transformation, and sustainable growth while strengthening the country's scientific and educational institutions.
O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylari ana shunday noyob yetakchilar safidan munosib o'rin egallaydi. Lavozimga kirishganidan buyon bilim, innovatsiya va inson kapitalini milliy taraqqiyotning markaziga qo'yib, O'zbekistonni siyosiy, iqtisodiy va ijtimoiy islohotlarning tubdan yangilanish davridan olib bormoqda. Uning yangi O'zbekiston haqidagi qarashi modernizatsiya, raqamli transformatsiya va barqaror o'sishni jadallashtirib, mamlakatning ilmiy va ta'lim muassasalarini mustahkamlashga xizmat qildi.
Under his leadership, Uzbekistan has significantly expanded investment in higher education, research, and innovation. He has championed the modernization of universities, promoted academic excellence, and fostered closer collaboration between government, academia, and industry. His policies have created new opportunities for young scholars, researchers, and entrepreneurs, enabling them to contribute meaningfully to national and regional progress. In the fields of academics, it is worth mentioning that National University of Sciences and Technology and Pharmaceutical Technical University of Uzbekistan have recently signed an MoU to establish collaborative relations between two institutions in the field of academics and research.
Uning rahbarligi ostida O'zbekistonda oliy ta'lim, ilmiy tadqiqotlar va innovatsiyalar sohasiga yo'naltirilayotgan investitsiyalar sezilarli darajada kengaydi. U universitetlarni modernizatsiya qilishni qo'llab-quvvatladi, akademik mukammallikni targ'ib qildi hamda hukumat, akademiya va sanoat o'rtasidagi yaqin hamkorlikni rivojlantirdi. Uning siyosati yosh olimlar, tadqiqotchilar va tadbirkorlar uchun yangi imkoniyatlar yaratib, ularning milliy va mintaqaviy taraqqiyotga mazmunli hissa qo'shishiga zamin yaratdi.
President Shavkat Mirziyoyev has also demonstrated a deep commitment to international academic partnerships. In particular, he has actively supported the strengthening of educational and scientific cooperation between Uzbekistan and Pakistan. His encouragement of academic exchanges, joint research initiatives, and institutional collaboration has contributed to deepening intellectual ties between the two countries, reinforcing mutual understanding and people-to-people connections.
Prezident Shavkat Mirziyoyev xalqaro akademik hamkorlikka ham chuqur sadoqat namoyon etib kelmoqda. Xususan, u O'zbekiston va Pokiston o'rtasidagi ta'lim va ilmiy hamkorlikni mustahkamlashni faol qo'llab-quvvatladi. Akademik almashinuvlar, qo'shma ilmiy tadqiqot tashabbuslari va institutsional hamkorlikni rag'batlantirishi ikki mamlakat o'rtasidagi intellektual aloqalarning chuqurlashishiga, o'zaro anglashuv va xalqlar o'rtasidagi aloqalarning mustahkamlanishiga xizmat qildi.
Beyond bilateral engagement, His Excellency President Mirziyoyev has played a pivotal role in advancing regional cooperation in Central Asia. He has consistently advocated the significance of collaboration in science, technology, and innovation for sustainable development and improving living standards. His leadership has fostered a culture of partnership that transcends borders and benefits the broader regions of Central and South Asia.
Ikki tomonlama aloqalardan tashqari Prezident Mirziyoyev janobi oliylari Markaziy Osiyoda mintaqaviy hamkorlikni rivojlantirishda muhim rol o'ynadi. U barqaror rivojlanish va turmush darajasini yaxshilash yo'lida fan, texnologiya va innovatsiya sohalaridagi hamkorlikning ahamiyatini izchil targ'ib qilib kelmoqda. Uning yetakchiligi chegaralardan ustun bo'lgan hamkorlik madaniyatini shakllantirib, Markaziy va Janubiy Osiyo mintaqalari uchun keng ko'lamli manfaatlar yaratdi.
Through his steadfast dedication to education, his support for scientific advancement, and his commitment to international cooperation, President Shavkat Mirziyoyev has made an enduring contribution to knowledge, innovation, and societal progress.
Ta'limga bo'lgan sobit sadoqati, ilmiy taraqqiyotni qo'llab-quvvatlashi va xalqaro hamkorlikni rivojlantirishga bo'lgan intilishi orqali Prezident Shavkat Mirziyoyev bilim, innovatsiya va jamiyat taraqqiyotiga barqaror hissa qo'shdi.
Ladies and gentlemen, in recognition to his superb leadership and distinct contributions to bilateral ties, the Board of Governors, National University of Sciences and Technology, NUST, has approved the conferment of the honorary degree of philosophy and the title of honorary professor upon him.
Hurmatli xonimlar va janoblar, uning yuksak yetakchiligi hamda ikki tomonlama aloqalarni rivojlantirishga qo'shgan alohida hissalarini e'tirof etgan holda Fan va texnologiyalar milliy universiteti boshqaruvchilar kengashi unga faxriy falsafa fanlari doktori ilmiy darajasi hamda faxriy professor unvonini berishni ma'qulladi.
I, Registrar NUST, request Rector NUST to confer the honorary degree of Doctor of Philosophy upon His Excellency Shavkat Mirziyoyev, the President of Republic of Uzbekistan.
NUST universiteti rektoridan faxriy falsafa fanlari doktori ilmiy darajasini O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylariga tantanali ravishda topshirishlarini so'raymiz.
In accordance with the resolution of the board and by virtue of the authority vested in me as rector of the university, I admit to the honorary degree of the Doctor of Philosophy, and in token thereof, I authorize you to wear the robe ordained as the insignia of the degree.
Kengash qarori asosida va universitet tomonidan menga berilgan vakolat asosida men ushbu falsafa doktori unvonini tantanali ravishda taqdim qilishga qaror qabul qildim.
May I request the Honorable President and the Prime Minister to come in front of the table for the award ceremony, please.
Ushbu marosimni tantanali ravishda o'tkazish uchun O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti va Pokiston Islom Respublikasi bosh vazirini stolning oldiga chiqishlarini so'rab qolamiz.
I now request the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan and Chancellor NUST and Rector NUST to award doctorate degree and certificate of title of Professor of National University of Sciences and Technology to His Excellency Professor Dr. Shavkat Mirziyoyev.
NUST kansleri hamda NUST rektoridan O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti janobi oliylari Professor Dr. Shavkat Mirziyoyevga Fan va texnologiyalar milliy universitetining doktorlik diplomi hamda professor unvoni sertifikati topshirishlarini iltimos qilaman.
Sir, please. Thank you, sir.
Katta rahmat.
Just invite him for remarks of the final speeches, right? Thank you.
अभी बारी आनी।
पाकिस्तान और उज़्बेकिस्तान के माबैन मुख्तलिफ शोबों में ताउन के हवाले से मुफाहमती यादाश्तों के ने